Okay, so here's something wild I realized today. Physics is literally the universe's patch notes. That's gravity. But not because it just works. Someone, somewhere, figured out why stuff falls. Instead of, I don't know, floating into the stratosphere like an emotionally unstable balloon. And once humans figured that out, they started explaining everything. Why things move, why things stop moving, why your toast always lands butter side down. There's math for that, I swear. Physics is basically, hey, everything in the universe, can you chill? I'm trying to understand you. And the universe responds by throwing equations at us like F, ma, translation, push harder, it yeets faster. Scientific, accurate, beautiful. But here's the cool part. We didn't get this info from a cosmic Zoom call. Humans figured all this out by dropping stuff, measuring stuff, arguing about stuff. For thousands of years. We're basically very fancy apes who got curious enough to reverse engineer reality. So yeah, physics, sphere, the universe is why. And personally, I think knowing why things do anything at all is kind of amazing.